Thanks for joining us. I am with Chris. I'm at Multipli Credit Union on South Blackman Road. Good to see you, first of all.
Great to be with you.
All right, what is the advantage? First of all, let me back up. Can anybody join a credit union?
Yeah, so credit unions are set up all sorts of different ways. So Multipli specifically, we've got a community field of membership, which means if you live in Greene or one of the surrounding counties, or also the counties going up to Columbia and Jefferson City, we've got a spot for you. So long as you live, work, worship, do business, or have family who does any of those things.
That's a pretty big...
We're gonna find a way to get you in here.
There you go, it's a pretty big footprint though, is what you're saying. What are the advantages, what are the differences, first of all, of belonging to a credit union, belonging to what you might say a standard bank?
Yeah. So credit unions are not for profit, first of all. We're also member owned. So everybody who joins a credit union gets a share in the credit union. They have the same voting power as anybody else to elect our volunteer board of directors. But the biggest thing is we don't have stockholders. Every member is the stockholder. So when you do well, I do well. When I do well, you do well. And then any profit that we make goes back to our members, either through better rates, better service, better opportunities with their money.
Everybody lifts everybody else.
Exactly, that's the idea.
Tell me about Multipli itself. How long has it been around?
Yeah,
Like that.
So we started as City Utilities Credit Union in 1934.
Been around for a while.
Yeah. So there were a handful of City Utilities employees that each pooled $5 together, and they started the credit union. So that 1930s number, a lot of credit unions got started during the Great Depression. After the banks had failed, co-workers a lot of times got together, they encouraged each other to save, and then they also made loans to each other when the need arose. So that's where we came from.
You've been at this then about 90 years.
Yeah, quite a while.
Yeah,
pretty
so
crazy.
You probably know what you're doing.
Yeah, hopefully.
Okay.
Yeah,
well,
we've made it this long.
One thing you did recently, you've had a merger.
Yes.
Tell me about that.
Yeah, so we've brought together 3 credit unions in Missouri. So River Region Credit Union out of Jefferson City and Missouri Credit Union out of Columbia. So we've now created a $1.3 billion financial institution with almost 75,000 members. So what started at those 5 members from City Utilities is now a really big thing. We're thrilled. We're going to keep the Multipli name, keep our Multipli branding, so folks here in Southwest Missouri are already familiar with that and know us well.
Okay, sometimes when people hear the word merger, they're going to think, I'm going to get lost in the shuffle.
Right.
How is this going to benefit people, you know, in the general area?
Well, and it's especially scary when we went from something fairly small to something so big. Our hope, our plan, is that we're going to grow big so that we can focus down on our members even more. There's that saying that slow is steady, steady is fast. We want to bring that into the credit union movement, really be able to have expertise wherever our members need, exactly the person that they need to talk to available when they need to talk to that person. So nobody gets lost in the shuffle. Instead, we're more able to be laser focused on each of our members.
Okay, I was going to ask, is this something that you would consider a more personal way of banking?
Absolutely, 100%. So when you come into our branches, you're going to be greeted immediately by a person. If you want to sit down and talk across a desk from somebody about a loan or a business idea you're wanting to start, or I saw this transaction on my account that I don't recognize, what do I need to do? We're going to have a person right there ready to help you out. If you'd rather do that all online, I don't go into the bank very often. I don't go into a branch very often. We'll take care of you that way too, whether it's over the phone, online and mobile banking, or even through video chat, so that you can still look at a person, but from the convenience of your car or on your lunch break or the break room or wherever you need to do your business.
All the standard services, you know, like electronic banking, automatic deposits, things like that.
All those good things. But again, where we want to differentiate ourselves is with our service. We want to have everything that you would expect from a financial institution, but we want to be known for our service.
All right, tell people, first of all, where you're located, and then how they can get information about all the services that Multipli has to offer.
Yeah, our website's going to be the greatest place to start, multiplicu.com. We've got our branch here on South Blackman, right across from Sam's Club. We've got one on Republic Road across from Twin Oaks, and then we've got one on Benton, right by Drury and Central High School. But we're really excited. We'll be building a branch in Republic this year. So, well, in 2026, that branch will be open.
Merging, growing.
Exactly.
And still remaining personal.
We got exciting things to come.
Very good. Chris?
Thanks, Tom.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate
so there you have it. Multipli Credit Union. Get in touch. They're here for you.